If you've been dreaming of a kitchen that's equal parts stylish and sociable, you'll want to pay attention to this. Built-in banquettes, or breakfast nooks as some call them, are the kitchen seating trend everyone's talking about. Today, we're diving into why they're making a comeback, how they can work in both small and large kitchens, and why they might just be the best upgrade you make in 2025. What is a banquette? A banquette is essentially a built-in bench, usually tucked into a corner or along a wall. Unlike freestanding furniture, it's integrated into the kitchen layout, offering both seating and storage in one clever design. It's like a cafe booth, but in your home, and way more stylish. Why everyone wants one? People love banquettes because they're incredibly versatile. You get more seating in less space, which is perfect for busy family kitchens or open-plan living. And let's be honest, nothing feels more homely than a cushioned bench under a sunny window with a hot brew in hand. Smart use of space. Banquettes are brilliant for maximizing awkward spaces. Got a tight corner or an underused nook? That's prime real estate. But storage underneath the bench, perfect for hiding away table linens, kids' craft supplies, or even extra kitchen bits you don't use every day. Style matters. Design options. You don't have to sacrifice style for function. Banquettes come in all shapes and aesthetics. Go classic with paneled wood and neutral cushions, or add a modern edge with bold upholstery and statement lighting overhead. And if you've got a period home, you can even tie it in with your existing features, think shaker paneling or a curved corner finish. DIY or bespoke? If you're handy, there are plenty of DIY tutorials out there using MDF, plywood, or repurposed cabinets. But for a seamless look, especially if your kitchen layout's a bit quirky, it's worth chatting to a local joiner. Bespoke banquettes ensure a perfect fit, right down to the millimeter. Built-in banquettes aren't just a trend, they're a smart, beautiful solution that brings comfort, character, and connection back into the heart of the home. Whether you've got a big country kitchen or a compact city flat, there's a way to make one work. Love clever kitchen upgrades? Hit subscribe and leave a comment. Would you go for a banquette in your kitchen? Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next one.